please check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey, how you doing? I'm going to open this 1985 Topps color pack. Has 26 packs, one stick of bubble gum. Yay! You want an All-Star game? Get a time machine. Maybe go back in time, watch these players play or something. Let's see the guys. 26 packs. Ugh. There we go, the first one. I kind of always like design. Bill Murphy, only their player, should be a Hall of Famer. Crime, he's not a Hall of Famer. But Black, decent player. Odell. Orange, Mickey Rivers. Darn, never heard of this. Wait, like the Daryl Porter, yeah, never heard of this guy. George Boyd, Bobby Brown. He used to be a singer. Whitney Houston. Haven't found the gun yet. Ricky Watts. Ryan Downing. Oh, I found the gum. And they stupid. Desert Baker. Oh, Doug Baker. Desi Baker. He was a good pitch player when there in his time. When he was the Dodgers, he created the high five. He was there. Logan Vera is the manager. I don't know how long he was the manager. Andy Johnson. Kurt. So far, I recognize none of these players. I have a few. Gary Hawk. He did the pitcher during his time. Gary Self, like Billy Gas. Billy Buddy, oh yeah. Father and son. Red. Right, he kind of played a little bit. And that's pretty much it. That's really new players that we're talking about. Alright, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Maybe I'll do better next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.